Since we are a lab, we are interested in providing service. So we have three kinds of services: season preparation, and growing season, and harvest preparation. Also, I will skip this because it's the place where the drones are. But let me show our fleet. We have the Matrix 6 with a hyperspectral, not this one, but we have also a hyperspectral sensor, the WIBI and Lagaster. And also we have the Matrix 300 with GPR, and the Mavic 3 and Phantom 4 multispectral. And of course, with this we have a lot of sensors showing the spectra of each one. But I will talk about this one. This is one of the last sensors that we bought, the GPR, that is used for soil analysis at depth ranging from 10 to 80 meters. And this technology helps in soil characterization and identify subsurface features that can impact vine health. This is an example what we have done in our commercial vineyard. And as you can see, in the right side, you have the trajectory of the GPR from A to B, and you see the profile, the soil profile to the depth of 5 meters, and you can clearly see and understand why zone A has more vigor than zone B. So this kind of tool is very important to understand the causes of variability. Another application is grapevine row detection in challenging vineyards. These vineyards are typical from the Douro region, and in the right side of the slide you can see the row detection using digital image processing. But in some cases, this approach is not 100% feasible. So we have undergo a deep learning process, and now we have an algorithm that automatically process images separating vineyards from other crops. In this large image, you can see even in the shadow, in this part, our algorithm can extract where is the vineyards, and eliminating everything that is not a vineyard, such as this square in the center of the image. So I think that is a very, very good result from this kind of automatic processing. In this slide, you can see also properties extraction, and this is a very good example for generating prescription maps to a robot, because as you can see in the center, you can see inter-row vegetation if you are using a mowing robot, or other application that can be used with these prescription maps. This is a very interesting map, a very old work, but is very usable. And of course, we use our algorithms to mark and count vines. Using thermal images and multispectral sensors, we are working also in combining such images for detecting Escherichia disease in grapevines. So this is an example of an undergoing work. I'm looking to the clock and I must go faster. This is our hyperspectral sensor, and this kind of hyperspectral sensors can extract signatures, and these spectrum signatures can help us detecting